Hey friends, if you wish to know what the WinREagent folder is and how to delete it, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. It is a temporary folder. It is associated with Windows unless it's a virus. For that we will run a malware scan, but it is safe to delete it. The best way to delete it is to search for disk cleanup in the Windows search bar. Open disk cleanup, click on OK. Check this option for temporary internet files and actually check all of these options. I usually do that, especially for temporary files. Click on OK and then delete it. So this is how you can delete it. But here's one more thing. What if it's a malware which has used this name? So in that case, search for MRT and then click on MRT, malware removal tool. Click on next, choose full scan, click on next and let it run through. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day. मैं देखो एक ईगो इशू